Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Explanation. So in today's video, I'll be covering the first type of join, which is inner join. Okay, so this inner join, we can also write join instead of inner join. So there are lots of confusion in students that what is a join and what is an inner join. So join is same as inner join, so we can say join. You can either write inner join or write join here. Okay, so while writing the command, I'll tell you once again what is this. Let's go to the definition part of inner join. So what is an inner join? So a inner join is basically performed by just selecting the record having common values or matching the values in both table. Okay, so we take a common attribute, the joined table, and if you use inner join or join, it is going to give you the result of just the record having the common value or the matching value. And in case of no common value, no data is shown. Okay, so if there is no common value, will not get no data is shown, will not get any data here. Okay, so what is the query for writing inner join? We simply write inner join, or you can also write join here. So this is the command that we are going to write for the join operation. Okay, so for performing this join operation, let us take a table, let us take two tables for this, and then we will be comparing. Okay, so I suggest you to draw this table in your copy, as I'll be rubbing this table for the further space. Okay, so if you want to practice with me, please draw this table in your copy. Okay, so let's draw the table. So let us take two tables here. First table is the student table and second table is the course table. Suppose in student table, okay, we have got the attributes like in roll number, okay, then the name of student, and then the address of student. Okay, so the enroll number is 1001, 1002, 1003 and 1004. The name of students are Ram, Hari, Syam and Sita, and the address are KTM, PKR, BIR and DHR. Now let's go to the course table. Suppose this is our course table, and the attributes for our course table are, I'm just taking two attributes, that is CID and enroll number. So the CID will be 12312. Okay, I hope it is visible. Let me rub this. Let me take some more space for this. Otherwise, we'll getting confused later on. Okay, so here is my course table, which has got the CID 12312, and the enroll number is 1001, 1001, 1001, 1002 and 1003. Okay, so if you look at the table, it means that you can see there is a common attribute or there is a common column known as enroll number. It is in this table as well as in this table. Hence, this is the attribute which you can join the both tables. And if you look at this, what is this? See, the 1001, the enroll number, the student having the enroll number 1001 is taking the course number 1. Okay, so who is 1001? It is Ram. It means that Ram is going to take course number 1. Similarly, Ram is also going to take course number 2 as well as course number 3. If you look to enroll number 1002, that is Hari. So Hari is going to take course number 1 only. If you see 1003, it is Syam. So Syam is going to take course number 2 only. and in this table Sita is nowhere is included, so Sita is not going to take any course. Okay, now let's perform a join operation here. So if you perform an inner join, what will happen? Okay, so how to write the inner join query first? So let us start by writing the SQL query to inner join this table on the basis of enroll number, because as I told you, for joining two tables we will need a common column. Okay, so let's see what are this. So first of all, I'm going to write this command like select. What you want to select? You want to select the course ID and the student name. Okay, so what I'm going to display is I'm going to display a table. I'm going to display a table which has got two attributes, course ID and name of student. Okay, so this is going to be my output. So suppose someone asks you a query that write a query to display the course ID and name of student from these two relation. Okay, so what you're going to see is the course ID belongs to this table and the name belongs to this table. It means that we have to join these two tables on the basis of the enroll number. So first of all, in the output table, let's see what are the attributes, what are the columns that we want to display. We want to display the CID and name. So where does the CID belong to? It belongs to the course table. So we will be writing here course dot CID, because CID belongs to the course table. Also, what you want to display? You want to display the name, and where does this name belong to? Student table. So student dot, can you tell me what will be this? This will be the name. Okay, so it means that we have already selected the name of the table, that is the CID and the name from their corresponding tables. So select course.cid comma student.name from where? From, we want to join these two tables. So from student from student inner join. Instead of this, you can also write simply join, because both inner join and join are the same thing. Okay, so student table we are going to join with which table? Course table. So course and students are going to be joined by a query known as inner join. Okay, and on what I told you, there should be a common attribute. Yes, enroll number. So on student dot enroll number, on student dot enroll number equals to course dot enroll number. Okay, if I am writing capital, so let us also write this table in capital only, although it doesn't matter, but okay, so that's all the query. See, so while writing a join operation, you need to take what all attributes, what are the name of the column which you want to display, write that. From, write the table name. Inner join, write the other table name. On means on which attribute, which are the common attribute for both. So the common attribute is student.enroll number equals to course.enroll number. That's all. Okay, now what it is going to do after writing this operation, what it is going to do? Okay, let's see. So it is going to check the student enroll number and the course enroll number, and it is going to give the common datas. Okay, so I'll use the eraser. I'll try to draw the table here only, because we will need this table as well as this query. So let me draw the table here. So we are drawing the table here, which has got two attributes, that is the course ID and name of a student. So let's see. We have to select the course ID as well as the student name from student inner join course, and we are going to compare the enroll number of both table. So let us compare the enroll number. So enroll number, student.enroll number. So what is enroll number? 1001. Let's go and see. Okay, let's go and see what is the 1001. Okay, so we have to display it, CID and name. So it's better in roll number 1001. If you see in this table, what is the enroll number 1001? It is here, and what course it is going to take? 1. Okay, so what is the name for this 1001? It is Ram. So if you take this CID 1, the corresponding enroll number is 1001, and for 1001 the corresponding name is Ram. Okay, let's again take another. So I think it's better if you write course here and student here, because after looking at the course ID, then after only we can see what is the name for this. Okay, so there is a minor change here. You just write the course.enroll number here and student.enroll number here. Why? Because first of all we are going to write the course ID and then we are going to write the name. So you can see the course ID is in course table and the name is in student table. Okay, now it is going to be easy for us. So what is the roll number in the enroll number in the course table? It's 1001. What is the corresponding CID? It's 1. Okay, so 1 will be here. Now what is the 1001 enroll number and what is the corresponding name? It's Ram. Let's go to the second thing, that is the course number 2. 1001 is taking the course number 2. So course number 2 is here and the enroll number is 1001. Now let's go to this table. For 1001 the name is again Ram. Let's go to the third, that is the 1001 enroll number is taking the course ID 3. Now again for 1001, if you see, the name is again Ram. If you see the 1002 roll number, you can see it is taking the course ID 1. And if you see the 1002 here, the name is Hari. If you see the last, that is 1003 roll number, it is taking the course number 2. So the name is here. And for 1003 in roll number, the name is Syam. So Syam is here. Okay, so this is the table that will be displayed after the join operation. Please don't get confused why we wrote course first and student table at the second, because to display this table, first attribute or first column is the course ID and the second column is name. So first we have to see the course ID and enroll number, and then corresponding we have to see the date. So it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter either it is written here or here. It is easy to access the data. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So this is the inner join. So in next video I'll be covering the outer joins and the type of outer joins. Till then, stay safe and thank you.